Hey, what's up my good people? If you're looking for the O2 sensor bank 1 and 2 O2 sensor, one on Highlander, Toyota Highlander, and this particular one here is 2013. The O2 sensor bank 1 sensor 1 is located right here on the manifold. Is it exhaust manifold right here? Put a light on. It's right there. Easy to reach from the engine compartment. And then the second O2 sensor, you'll be accessed through underneath here. As you can see, it's right there. That is a second sensor, O2 sensor. And then you continue from here. Let me get an angle. Now from this angle you can see this is a catalytic converter. And here you find this is sensor 3, I think. Yeah, sensor 3. And this one is the one for the cut efficiency. Now above this one there is another sensor that regulates the fuel air ratio, and it's going to be all the way up there. I don't know whether you can see right there. Yep, should be right there. And those are all the 4 O2 sensor on a Toyota Highlander. So there is this one here right before the catalytic, and that one right there about after the catalytic. The one I showed you in the front, and the other one here. And that is on the Toyota Highlander, the V6. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.